Hey, good morning, guys. Sorry I couldn't be at class today. I've got somebody sick at home, but there's a couple things I wanted to cover with you before our test on Monday. And so I've got a couple pictures for you that I want you to take a look at. So this is a picture of cilia, flagella, and microvilli. Oops, this way. And they are different, and you guys should know the differences between the three. This one has got long whip-like tails, these are small hair-like, and these are finger-like projections. So you need to know the difference between those. Another interesting picture here is this. This shows how things either move into a cell or are pushed out of a cell through active transport. That's actually, this one is endocytosis because it's bringing stuff in. If it goes in the opposite direction from here to here to here, then that would be exocytosis. So you should know what that looks like. And today's class actually has a worksheet that explains a lot of that stuff in more detail that you can use as a review. This is from your worksheet also. You have to be able to understand how to put the arrows, whether water moves in or out of these, in or out of this cell. And you should be able to figure out the percentages. This should equal 100%. This should always equal 100%. Another thing that you'll see on the test is this picture. All right, and so this picture is on there, but to help you out with some of these things is I also gave a description of them. So for instance, this one right here is a vacuole or a vesicle, and so I might put that it stores food or it stores proteins, and so then you would know that that's a vacuole, temporary storage site. Okay, um, so that's what you're doing today. Another thing you're doing, so you're going to start out by watching a cell transport Amoeba Sisters video, and you're going to get a worksheet that you're going to fill out. And so I ask that you bring your headphones so you can watch this and stop it, pause it, and fill out the worksheet. It goes right along with it. Use that to study. And then after that, you have to finish your review sheet. I will be posting the answers online later on today, but not during class. I want you to work on it during class so that you can bring that with you totally completed for the exam. And then there's also something called class homework 1117. That's today's class. I want you to either do that in class or at home. You can take your time on it and you can use your resources, but that's another review for the test. That has to get done. All right, so those are the things you'll be doing today. Now, the test itself is pretty lengthy. It looks just like the semester exam. That's why I'm doing it. So you cannot write on the test. There is an answer sheet. So when you get the test, you'll have to put your little number at the top, just like the exam. So I'm treating this like your semester exam practice. That's why I'm doing it. It looks similar to all the other tests that we've taken, and we're building up to this bigger test until we get to a semester exam where it's the largest of all the tests. And you can get bonus points if you bring your review sheet with you the day of the test completed, just like the exam. I'll give you a review sheet, you bring it completed, you get bonus points. Also, I post the answers to the review sheet. So the purpose of this is for you to fill out the review sheet, check your answers, and then keep it with you for a couple days and study it before the test so that you're ready for the test. So we're treating that just like an exam. All right, guys, have a good day. I'll talk to you later.